Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now, our friends at Recover Fun have come through for us again, and today we're looking at the Recover Fun Air Cup. So, what this little device is, if you've ever used cupping before, this is an automatic cup that, while battery operated, like an internal chargeable battery, does the suction for you, so it can massage various points on your body, wherever you hold it over, with various different intensity, speeds and all that sort of thing. And it also includes a red light, so it hits that area with red light as well. The specs of which I'm not sure on yet, so let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so getting it right out of the box here. Ooh, we get a nice little tune for it, and it's on. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. So this is on the first setting, and as you might be able to see there, the little lights are going. Yeah. Oh, and that's your suction level. Oh yeah, you wouldn't want it. That is on there. Oh, that's good. Oh wow. Yep. So you get little noises with the buttons on it. So this isn't on the app. I'll just take the peel off there. Maybe that'll be a bit better. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, okay, I'm going to need that off, I think. Oh. Okay. So, from the first little initial bit, yeah, it has some power. You might be able to see it there. No, there it is. It has left a little bit of a mark. Not quite the suction mark that a cup would leave, because I didn't leave it on there long enough. But yeah, wow. Pretty happy with that so far. So we will get into more testing. Okay, so having a look at the box, here we have our Recover Fun Air Cup. You can see up on the top, it's app controlled, 1 year warranty. What do we got on the side here? So dynamic cupping, red light therapy, personalized massage, and you get the scraping with it. And where you get it from, their Facebook and Instagram. So it's got a quieter motor. It's very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. 5 watt power, 3 hour battery life. Weight, charging time, wavelength, power rating, battery capacity, and what's in the box. A lanyard, charging cable, and filter cotton. And where to get the app from. And then same on this side. What the app looks like. Nothing on there. And nothing on there. So, let's jump on in and actually check this little bad boy out. So, nice little silver logo. Okay, so we've got our user manual. Then we've got the top of it. You can see a nice little foam insert there, holding it in place. And if we lift it out, this is our device with our little lanyard attached already. So we've got M&S and on. Muscle tension reliever. Having a look at it, this is the cup itself. On there already. So it's all in one spot, all in one piece, ready to go. Got our little charging cable, adapter bit where the lanyard hangs onto, and that's it. So a little bit of a minimalist design, I would say, but does the job. And yeah, nice, easy, fits in your hand type of thing. So there's our other little filter bits. What else have we got in the box here? Our charger cable. So it takes a USB-C to USB-A. And, oh no, there's the rest of our little lanyard. So you can hold on to it. So going back out, that is what's in the box. Okay, so here we are having a bit more of an in-depth look at our Recover Fun Air Cup. So you'll see on the front we have just a simple 3-button design. We've got our on, mode, and strength. From the cup here itself, you can undo the cup. Now, as I've experienced with this, you do have to do it up fairly tight. Once again, it's got a rubber seal here and you've got a cotton ring, which you've got spares of in your thing. But you do have to do it up quite tight, otherwise it won't get, like if you only have it up or do it a little bit, you're going to get air in through this part here, which won't allow it to suck as much. So nice and tight through there. Now to turn on, simply hold. And we come on. And it's on automatically. Now you can just press that to pause that function. But you can see we're on mode 1 and our strength's low. And if it's on your hand here, having a good go. And it's only when it's on, if I take that off, you can see we've got blue light. But once it has a good seal, we get the red. Now, see here we can jack up our strength as such, and you can feel that. And then we can change our mode, cycling through all different 5 of the modes, like such. And you can see that has a decent amount of pressure on it. It's really, really good right there. Oh, yep. So decent power, easy to use, beautiful. Now, if we turn that off, grab our little handy dandy smartphone, and if we just go into the app, so we hold the power button, and we're found. So, you can see here that it's doing that because it knows it's found. And if we apply it to our hand once again, we have a little timer going on and everything, and that'll just keep doing its thing. So if we change to mode 2, it'll do mode 2. And if we jack the pressure right up, you can see it's going to do what it needs to do. And you've got your battery on there, a timer on there. You can set a little timer for how long you want it on there for as well, which is awesome. And then you've just got some contact details there on the app as well. And we've got our relaxing setting. And so you can easily slide between them too by not pressing things on there as well. And that is as simple as it gets with this app and with the device itself as well. And then as we turn that off, you can see that we're now disconnected from the app. So it is very responsive, very quick, very easy as well to get that happening. But don't just take my word from it. Let's hear from another expert who works a lot with cupping, like mechanical cups, silicone cups, in his field as well. I had a little bit of a play around with Ben Vaughan from Ben Vaughan Remedial Massage Therapies. So Ben uses cups a decent amount for his own recovery as well as in clinic as well. So what are your thoughts on the little air cup?
So we had a play around with it and we went through pretty well every mode that the air cup has to offer. They were all a fair bit of fun, and I really like the red light feature in this. It's definitely what I would see as the next evolution of cupping, having gone through all the different types of cups that are on offer, from fire cups to mechanical cups to silicone suction cups. We've used them all, and I think this one, being a battery operated mechanical, kind of more of a hands-free style cup, with the addition of having the red light in there, it is a very, very progressive kind of a step. So quite pretty impressed with it. It's got plenty of power, and I can't really see any areas where it's lacking. It's got the power. It's got this extra added feature of having the red light and the heat, and the features are really cool. And the display, the control on the cup is off.
There you go.
There we go. The control on the cup's really good and totally operational via the buttons on the top, so we can change the modes and the strengths all through there. and also it is app controllable as well, which we had a bit of a play around with too. So all really cool things.
Yeah. Could you see yourself using this sort of thing in clinic?
Yeah, definitely. I could definitely use it in clinic, and also could use it for my own recovery from training and exercise and everything myself. Probably more effective for personal use than everything else that's on offer at the moment, because it's very easy to use and quite accessible. So I could use this cup on my own back and drive the features from the app itself without having to try to reach around my own back to operate it and that sort of thing. So we could use the app functionality and use the cup pretty well anywhere, I think, on our own person. So,
cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, man.
No worries
Anything
at
else,
all. No, I think that's pretty cool. I love the name too. Recovery Fun. Recovery Fun. It's so cool. So it's definitely fun.
And so some other things with this device is cleaning really easy. Unless you have moisture present in the thing, you can just get an alcohol wipe or something and wipe around the edge and just give it a wipe over the top. Nothing, I don't think you want to really submerge this in water too much, so keep that. And you have a charging port. So they supply you with a cable, not the actual wall adapter charger, which is just a USB cable, if I can get that open. And as you can see, it is, common sense prevails, a USB-C. Doesn't take very long to charge it up at all. I left it for an hour and it was fully charged. Very handy. Awesome little red light in there as well. That sits at the 630 to 670 spectrum. So you get that skin-based healing as well from that while you're actually having a bit of cupping done. So really handy. So super simple and easy to use, especially for yourself. As long as you can get it started, get it on, put it roughly where it is, you can turn it on there, or as you saw with the blue light, it's searching for that seal to get the suction so you can get it and put it wherever you need, where you feel you need to. However you can do that. You can even just leave it laying up against a wall or something and back yourself onto where you need it. Because once it creates that seal, it's on. And like the suction, the device is very lightweight, but like it'll fall if it loses suction, but the suction on it is so strong that hasn't been an issue at all. I heartily recommend the Recover Fun Air Cup. If you're looking for something different in the market, if you're looking for that next thing to help you in your own aid as well, like in the way that it does like a little bit of a cat pawing sort of massage as well, it's going to be better than you can give yourself with the mechanical cups or vacuum cups or silicone cups in that way. Maybe not so much for a gliding sort of massage over the area, because the suction is very, very strong, especially even on the lower settings, it's very strong. All up, these are amazing, and I look to purchase more so I can use them in clinic, so I can even give them out as gifts, but even just myself to use it at home. This is fantastic little device. So all up, if I was to give it a rating, it'd be a 10. I don't know what else they could do to make this any better. This is an awesome little product. But anyway guys, that's just my thoughts on the Recover Fun Air Cup. Have you used it? Would you use it? Are there anything else that probably I've overlooked here, because I've just been in awe of this sort of thing, that you'd like to see added to these? Let me know in the comments down below, and remember to always like, share, comment, subscribe on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.